prepare my face for the makeup, I'm applying here Good Vibes Rose Hip Glow Face Serum. It will add glow to the face and also foundation will glide easily. So now I will blend it well all over my face. Now I'm applying Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Primer. It is also a very affordable primer. If you are a beginner and don't invest much in primer, then just go for it, guys. In fact, I'm also a beginner. That's why I chose it and it never makes me feel down. It also worked up to my expectation. So after priming up, I'm applying here Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Shade number is 128. Though this shade is lighter than my skin tone, but somehow I will manage to build it later. Using this beauty blender, I'm dab it well on my face and also on my neck, and So for concealer, I'm applying here Darling Isabella concealer and the shade is 05. This is also another very good and affordable product. This formulation is so thick and conceals all kind of dark spot and pigmentation in only one swatch. Now to set the concealer, I'm applying here Stay Quirky translucent powder so that my makeup doesn't look cakey, and this powder applies so smoothly on skin, guys. Just try this once. So before starting my eye makeup, I'll just apply the powder only my under eyes so that if there is any fallout of eyeshadow, I will just dust up the powder and everything will look clear so easily. For my eye makeup, I am defining my crease. So for this, I'm using this brown shade as my transition shade. Now I'm applying this blue color in my outer V. With a fluffy blending brush, I will mix these two colors well. The more you blend it, the smoother look you will get. Taking the blue color, I will only apply on my eyelids. I'm not smudging, just dabbing it. Now I'm applying this shimmery shade in the middle of my eyelids. So the same brown shade which I have used as my transition shade, I am applying it in my lower lash line and smudging it well with this kind of brush. And then I will apply the blue color what I have used in my eyelids and smudging the two color well. Now I will dust off the extra powder. You can see, guys, how easily all the fallout are removing. So here I am applying kajal, and with this kind of spoolie I will smudge it a little. I am drawing a wing eyeliner. Here I am using Lakme 925 eyeliner. You can use any kind of gel eyeliner And to finish my eye makeup, I am applying here Maybelline Voluminous Mascara in both my upper and lower lashes. So for contouring, I'm using here Sugar Mini Bronzer. With this bronzer, I will contour my face. Now you need to smile so that you can apply the blush on the apple of your cheeks. Here I'm applying in color highlights on all the high points of my face. And with applying this Darling Isabella liquid lipstick, my makeup is complete. This is my final makeover look. I hope, guys, you like this video. If you love this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. And to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye bye.